So here my red devil and tailless blood parrot. I know this is a bit rare right now. Some people think this an awful creature, but I think why not? Tailless fish. Yeah. The people who made them actually cut the tail when they're young, so the tail didn't grow, but it will over time. So yeah, this is the fish. Tailless blood parrot. This is my goldfish that I breed myself. He's the only one who survived from 3 pets, and you can see in his skin there's so many worm-like creature attaching to its body. My giant snakehead actually tried to eat it, full of wound, so I put it in an aquarium for quarantine before I move him to the pond again. It's my red devil. It seems like he didn't get along with my parrot. He attacked them, but I hope they make love and make some baby. I don't know which one is male, which one is female, but I hope they're become pair.